What's up guys, back again with another video. So we're going to teach you about Python 3 data types, the basic ones at least. There's basically like three basic ones. There's numeric data types like integer and float, which we already learned. Then there's the Boolean data type, which is true or false, and that's the only thing it can be is true or false. And then there's the string data type, which is a string of letters, numbers, or just whatever you want, Chinese characters, anything. And yeah, and after that, there's going to be lists and dictionary. It's the abbreviation is DICT, but it's dictionary. That's what it stands for. And we won't get into lists or dictionaries yet. That's more advanced kind of stuff. So we're going to do strings, booleans, and numeric data types like integers. So to do that, we're going to go back into PowerShell, open up the Python, and then now we can start making our thingies here. So now that we know how to make variables, the variables can hold data types as we know, or data, and each thing of data is a certain data type itself, basically. So let me show you what I mean. So we're gonna make a new variable here, call it Cody. That's my name, equals, and then we can make a string, say cool, and strings have to be surrounded by double quotes or quotes, whatever. And yeah, so if we press enter and say Cody, then we get cool back. It can be double quotes or single quotes, by the way. It doesn't matter. It shouldn't matter. Let's try that theory out. So yeah, same thing. And yeah, so that's a string, and the string can hold numbers too. But then from now on, it'll be recognized as a string. So now it's not a number anymore. It's a string with a number in it. These are characters now instead of actual numbers, basically. And so we can make a boolean like is game over, and then we put the boolean. And remember, boolean is only true or false, so we can have the game is not over, so it is over, so true. And whenever you have true or false, it has to be capitalized the first letter, so true. And then we can call that is game over, and then true. Likewise, we can have false. There we get false. So it's fairly simple, really. And what else? Strings, booleans, and then there's numbers, which we already know, but so that's that. So it's really simple. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more. Leave a comment if you need help, and peace.